really slow though. Go really slow. Dude, don't bird check me.
You guys tailgating each other again?
He's tailgating me. He's running over my garbage can right now.
Stop breakdancing.
Why is it
over
so
and over.
funny? Oh gosh.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh, okay. I figured out why the concrete thing keeps flying away. So when I change my gravity, the actual spinner doesn't change, but
Oh.
the concrete changes gravity for some reason.
What?
Where are you going?
Skirp.
Where is he going?
Don't worry, I have like 0.1 gravity. I'll land somewhere eventually.
Oh no!
You didn't make it. Wait, you did.
Scared me.
Oh god.
Oh no! I wonder what would happen if I just.
Oh.
We're
Guys, look,
so.
I landed.
Oh, you landed!
Okay, everyone, turn off your gravity.
Hold on, wait.
Turn off your gravity.
Hold on, I want to ramp.
I need to reset the thing. Okay, turn off your gravity.
I have my gravity off.
Okay, let me reset my vehicle. I'm going to fixate it to the ground with nodes.
Oh, yeah, that'll be smart.
Hopefully it'll work.
I gotta clean up all the trash that's in space.
In space.
Yeah, I'm in space too, and I'm kind of going.
Well,
Crow's trash.
gravity.
I'm sorry, Crow.
Gravity, positive 10. Whee!
Okay, it's been securely secured, secured to the ground.
The concrete is securely secured to the...
To the ground.
It's not on my screen.
It is on my screen.
It is on my screen.
It
I
is on my
fixed it.
screen.
I'm pressing sync for Skirpy.
Think like the kitchen sink, or sink like SY whatever.
SY.
SY. Okay.
NC.
Yes, Crow. I know how to spell think.
Don't try being a smart aleck on me.
Hey. No harsh language on my channel.
Ow. I fell.
You did fall. Oh, the shredder's not on. Hang on.
No, no, no.
Get turned into salsa.
No, I don't want to be salsa.
Crow's just floating right
No. Yeah, he deserves it. It's his fault.
On my end, the concrete thing is floating away with
Ye
me.
yeah,
on my
I
screen,
don't know why that is.
Here we go. I'll go into your blender.
Whoa. Oh, the game crashed. For
What?
me. The game crashed for me. It,
wait,
you know,
I have an
it did
idea.
that pause.
Drive.
Oh.
Oh no no. Oh wow.
Yeehaw. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, your car. I think the shredder caught a part of your car and it
Yeah.
just grinded to a halt. And now it's going again. Okay, hang on. You might have to.
I got my car.
You might have to do my Q thingy, but let me get large spinner, replace. There we go. Okay, we're at 100%.
Alright.
Oh god, what is that thing over there?
I don't know. What is this thing?
It's a cork. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, bad things.
It's a bad thing.
Things.
My engine still works.
What? Skirpy?
What? What did I do?
Uh...
What?
Hang on,